So here, let's say in case of Aron, he bought P number of pencils and S sharpeners. Then we have the case of Aditya, which is that he bought twice as many pencils, so 2P, and 10 fewer, so sharpeners. Now, they give us this relationship between the cost of a pencil and the sharpener. So if the pencil costs X rupees, then the sharpener would be X plus 2. Now, we're told that in both cases, they spent the same amount of money. So the amount of money spent here in case of Aron would be PX, the number of pencils times the cost of each pencil, and then we have S times X plus 2. And we're told that this total money or amount is the same as in the case of Aditya. So that would be 2px plus S minus 10 times X plus 2. So that's the translation of that relationship. Then they're asking for the minimum possible value of P plus 2P, which is really the minimum possible value of P. So I'll expand this out and see what kind of simplification happens and see where it goes from there. Now, at this point, it does look like, are things going to get messy or things will become more clear? So we're at this stage. We'll see this drops out, that drops out, that becomes px, and then this is 0. So what we have is px minus 10x equal to 20. So I'm combining these two, moving that over. And if I factor out an x, I get p minus 10 is 20. P minus 10 is 20 over x. My interest is in p. So what's the least value? And note, number of pencils has to be an integer. That is 10, and then 20 over x. What's the least I can do? Well, is this piece is 1, because if x is 20, this would be 20 over 20 is 1. So p, the least possible value is 11, which means that the total number of pencils together would be 3 times 11, or 33. Choice D.